Fits 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150 passenger side. Truck bed cover compatible. The UnderCover SwingCase maintains a 3-inch clearance from the truck bed. Works with virtually all tonneau covers, soft, hard, folding, and rolling. Ultimate accessibility. This toolbox swings out nearly 180 degrees towards you for easy access from the tailgate. Swings back into a locking position over the wheel well for maximum bed access. Secure storage solution. The SwingCase has a key-lockable lid, can hold up to 75 pounds of cargo. It features an organizational tray, as well as a moisture seal to help keep contents dry, protected against the elements. Quick installation. This toolbox is simple to install, requiring no special tools. SwingCase is backed by a 1-year guarantee by UnderCover's US-based customer support team, making it the ultimate storage solution. Need a place to store all your tools, trailer accessories, jumper cables, or sporting goods? Compatible with virtually all truck bed covers, the UnderCover SwingCase is simple to install and easily accessible, making it the ultimate cargo storage solution. The SwingCase is the only swinging, removable, and portable utility case for trucks on the market. Its quick-release latch system enables the SwingCase to swing out nearly 180 degrees towards the tailgate and swing back into a locking position over the wheel well for maximum bed access. Constructed with the same durable ABS material as UnderCover truck bed covers, the SwingCase is sturdy, yet lightweight, and can hold up to 75 pounds of cargo. The SwingCase also has a removable sliding tool tray inside, and features cup holders on the top of its lid, making it a perfect tailgating season accessory. The SwingCase installs at the side of truck bed in minutes with 6 self-tapping screws, and can be easily removed for complete bed access. The SwingCase's lid is key-lockable to keep your belongings safe. This toolbox also features a perimeter moisture seal to help keep contents dry and protected from the elements. Additionally, the SwingCase is portable, so you to take it wherever you go. Made in the USA, UnderCover's SwingCase is backed by a 1-year guarantee and by our US-based customer support team. Swing away, work or play. Top reviews from the United States. Nice case, bought a second one, 8-minute install. Really nice case, a big upgrade from the milk crates that I used for years for tie downs and misc items. I started with the left side and then bought one for the right a couple of weeks later. So easy to install, the first one took about 20 minutes and the second one about 8 minutes. As they were spec'd for my new F-150, no drilling or adjustments were required. I can't speak for longevity at this point as I've only have them for a few weeks.